Welcome to Clash of Code, where today we're all going to be competing to solve these JavaScript problems, but with a catch. So we are not given any sort of problem description. All we can see are the inputs and the outputs, and we have to figure out what code to write to make that happen. Is everyone ready?
No, absolutely not.
Not at all. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, here we go. Clash now. Input 3, 4. Expected output 2, 1. 16. So 2 2s and 2 8s. Okay, so the first one is going to be X. Second one is going to be Y. And we just basically need to answer is equal to X times X.
Do we multiply and then reverse? So 3 times 4 is 12. Reversed is 21. 2 times 8 is 16. What?
What is the pattern here? Shoot, what is the dang pattern? You're not just multiplying numbers together. What is the pattern here, folks? I am dumb right now. I'm officially dumb.
Oh, it's giving us a hint here. So the X and the Y are what it's read the variables in as. So if X is 27... What the heck? So if X is 27 and Y is 26, we want 891. Are we going to have to do some sort of like distance formula?
No, that's not it. Okay, the first one, expected 21. 3 3s is 9. 4 4s is 16. What is it? I was wrong about that.
Obviously, you can't just multiply these together, but like if we were to just say 7 times Y to get something on paper here, and we play all test cases, it's obviously going to fail. And if we have that, what else could it be though?
If X is 2 and Y is 8, distance formula would require like 2 points. If we find the distance between that and the origin, it's not 20, is it?
No. 27? 891. Okay.
We do test case number 2. Expected 16, found 20. Is that test number 2? Okay, expected 16. So what is the difference here? It's 4. The other one had a difference of not 4. What is the commonality here?
Is it the area of a triangle? How do you find the area of a triangle? A squared plus B squared equals C squared? I have no idea. Absolutely no idea. Maybe I'm overthinking this. I'm gonna look at their other test cases. Can we see these?
So it is 27, 27 plus X times Y. Play all test cases. Boom. Submit. I win. I'm the best.
Wes got it.
I'm so
I have
smart.
no idea what
Wes
this is
has
asking for.
submitted
This is
this with
crazy.
100%.
These guys don't understand problem solving. My intuition and pattern matching skills are unmatched. This is not even programming, though. This is just stupid little... Ooh, can you tell what these numbers have in common?
So if we do 0 to the power of 8, that is 0. If we do 3 to the power of 4, that is not 21, that's 81.
I'm just staring at this in this like I'm missing something
4
very
to the
obvious,
power of 3,
and I feel like
you
a
get
complete
21
powers.
out of 3 and 4.
I'll just accept the L on this one. I'm sorry, folks. My brain has decided to not do this today.
God.
This is so simple, and I'm just losing it.
So we add
Is it to the power
the
of
2 and then multiply it by the first one.
No.
Is that it?
Has nothing to do with that.
You guys like
Weird.
Mountain Dew? Like
Weird. I don't know how Wes got that.
We don't
so
got a lot
quick.
of weird
Wow.
pops in Canada, but this one, I fly on this one. I love this stuff.
I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew.
We can end on
CJ
this one.
submitted.
Sorry, folks.
Oh, okay.
I don't have an answer to this. My brain just flat out didn't come up with it. Sorry.
This is the stupidest one ever,
Yeah,
but
it's
we
so
have to leave it in.
Yeah. Because I'm like, is it distance formula? Like, do I get the square root? Like, what are they?
Yeah, it was simply just the first number multiplied by itself, and then the first number multiplied by the second number.
How'd you figure that out?
I opened my calculator, and I thought it was the two, just basically to the power of 2 of each of them. But then I was short a little bit, and my like pattern matching skills are unmatched. So I immediately noticed that it was off by a certain amount, and I said, that's suspicious. And then I just changed it to the X to a Y. All right, let's do it again.
Right. Again.
Clash now. All right, so 1 0 1 expected output 0. 6 6 9 expected output 9. What the hell?
278 is the lowest. This is the highest, and this is the lowest. And this is the highest.
278890. Okay, so I think it's the second two. First two. The first one minus the second one? Jeez, what is going on here?
Oh no. We want to basically just want to count them and find the one that exists more than once. Oh, I'm regretting this. I'm stressing out. This is the thing is so people are screaming at us right now being like, it's so easy, just do this. We're stressed because we want to win because CJ's cheating.
Gosh, this is stupid. It's the highest sometimes, unless if it's 9, if it's 9, it's the highest. Okay, let's say if A equals 9 or B equals 9. Oh, this is so stupid.
Yeah, 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 times 6 is not 9. That's dumb of me to say that. So is it the first minus the second? Yeah, I'm just gonna like throw calculations at this. So can we do A minus B, that whole thing, times 9? But if this is 0, then it becomes 1.
Let's see what we got here. Values, play test case. Oh my gosh, rest parameter must be last formal. Oh, we got to return an object from that. That's why.
Okay, this solves some of them, but it doesn't solve the first one. So if we do 1 minus 0, are we taking the min of the pairs or the max of the pairs? No.
If A is lower than B, then A is currently the lowest. Then likewise, we'll do another if. This is some like leak code stupid. If A is also lower than C, then again, it's the same. Else we're going to have if B is lower than C, then lowest is equal to B, else lowest is equal to C. This is the dumbest leak code I've ever written in my entire life. Play all test cases, and it failed. Found nothing. How did you find nothing?
Oh, then we got to return. No. All right, screw this. You know what? I am gonna just cheat. Because CJ's cheating. So if A is equal to B, then console.log C. Otherwise, if A is equal to C, console.log B, and then else console.log A. This is the stupidest way ever. Does that work? Play all test cases. Boom. Submit. I still won? Oh, I was so stressed out. I was so stressed out. The way I normally would do that, I would just count the instances of that value in there, and then I would sort and just return the one that has the least amount of instances. That was, sometimes with these things, you just got to do the down and dirty one.
So the input
max
is
of the last
669, but
and the min of
why
the
are
second
you even
two?
getting?
They haven't even figured out. They haven't even figured out what
And
the
then math.min.
challenge is. They're
What are
math.min.
you talking about? Expected nothing. Expected nothing. Expected.
Is it just
nothing.
the max of
Oh, because
both?
I'm
No, it can't-
outputting
it can't
two
be,
things.
Because then we lose the 0.
Oh, that's stupid. This needs
Is
to
it
be
just
an
the
else.
min of all
This is
three?
the dumbest leak code I've ever written in my
exactly-
entire
They don't
life.
even-
I feel
they don't even know
dumber
what
for having
the
written
challenge
this.
is, let
alone how to
apologizing
implement
to every
it.
person on the planet
Oh
who has
my-
watched
Wait,
me
no,
write
no,
this
okay, that
dumbass
didn't work
code
for this
here.
one. No, because then you get 9.
Congratulations.
Did Scott figure it out? Okay, we got 50%. I think I can get 50% with
I
this
cheesed
answer.
it.
I'm just gonna submit as well.
Oh,
Maybe
Scott's
I'll get
done. Okay.
25%.
And Wes.
I give up.
You guys are not understanding the problem again.
No.
No.
I didn't understand the problem again.
So
Yeah.
the problem was return the number that didn't exist twice.
Really?
Shit. Oh.
Okay.
So I was like, I wrote a reduce to like add up instances, and then I panicked and just did an if statement.
Okay.
I cheesed mine. I just straight up cheesed it, and obviously that didn't work.
Wait, what's cheese?
I just wrote a bunch of if statements to get the test cases to pass.
You guys.
All right, redemption.
Have you guys tried Mountain Dew? We're sponsored by Mountain Dew, but also Sentry at sentry.io/syntax. You should definitely use Sentry so you don't need to drink as much Mountain Dew as I do.
Is that an ad? What was that?
That was not a very good ad placement, so I would like to tell you that Sentry is very good at fixing your code finding the bugs, finding errors, performance things, whatever's going wrong, using AI to fix it, using yourself to fix it, using a playback to figure out what the hell went on. Check it out, sentry.io/syntax. All right. Should I give these guys like a head start? All right, so A, B, C, D, E, F, B, D, F, A, B. So basically just only return things that are not vowels, but if there is a space, return things. All
right, I can do this. It's every other letter. Okay, easy.
Remove the characters at even indices. Oh, it literally tells us what the thing is. R-E-M. Oh, yeah, okay. So basically, read the line. And then const result is equal to dot split.
What we want to do is we want to spread this out. So let words equal, and we're going to spread. I mean, there's so many other ways to do this. That's fine.
I have a for loop. Well, it's less than the length. I plus. If I is odd, log the letter, but we don't want to log it. We want to build it up. So we'll have a result string at that index and then log out the result. Do I need this? So I 0, 1, 2, 3.
It's the callback function. What am I doing? God dang it. I'm trying to go fast. L, I, callback function. If I is even or odd, if I modulo 2, then console.log L. Play all test cases, failed. Okay.
So s dot map the character and the index. So basically, we're going to say if the index is even, so if it's cleanly divisible by 2, that's not going to give me the first one.
S dot for each is not a function. Oh, words. Okay, output stream. I should be collecting them. So let C for collect is equal to an empty string. Instead of console logging here, we're going to do C plus equals L. And then at the end of it, console.log.
Return the character. Otherwise, return nothing. And then we will filter with a Boolean. And console.log result.
Play all test cases. Boom, 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 submit. Eat my short.
Found nothing.
Scott got it.
100%.
Dang it.
Console.error
Mess it up today.
S.
So it turns
I
out that the
is
secret
odd.
to
How do I
winning
do that
one of
in
these
JavaScript?
is
If
to just
I
be
is
complete
odd,
dog shit,
zero.
the first two of them.
A, B, C, D, E,
Oh, I'm on
F. Okay.
2. If it's not
Success.
even, that's not equal 0.
Play all test cases.
There we go.
Submit.
Ugh.
Boom!
Not
Scott
my
beat
day.
me! No
Oh, I'm
chance!
1 second off of Wes.
Scott, you did it!
Yeah. And Wes, you beat me by
Good for you.
You beat me by 1 second, Wes.
Oh, man. I thought I would have all the time in the world.
So let's see Scott's code. I just spread those words out. I spread them out, and then I just did a for each, and then I pushed the odd characters into a new string. Stupid, but it works. It was fast.
That's good.
It took me forever to figure out how to figure out if a number is odd. Today's not my day.
No, which is so funny because it's something that's like 101, and it's just something you never do.
That was quick, though, Scott. You're fast with your messy for loops. I'll give you that.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
All right. Should we do one more?
Yeah,
I'm
might as well.
down.
My God, I am so stressed to the gills right now. Okay, expected answer 9. Expected answer 10. Expected answer 25, 27.
We get a 1, we get a 3, we get a 0, we get a 9. We get a 1, we get a 3, we get a 1, we get a 10. That's a bit of a hint because it's like do this and then one more than that.
Input 1309. 113 is 10. The hell? 3. What?
Scott, let's go. We have A, B. So each one is an A, B. So each line we have ignore the first one. If I is equal to 0, then ignore it. Else, see, this is how I program. I just kind of think, even if it's not optimized here.
Okay, and then with multiple lines, we're getting multiple outputs. So I do think it's like raised to the power of, because 5 raised to the power of 3 No. Would that be? No. Yes?
Oh, man. Auto-generated code below aims to help you parse the standard input according to the problem statement. Console.log A, B, expected 9. What the hell is 30?
If it's not the first one, we want A times A plus B. Console.log that. Okay. Failed. Found nothing.
Oh, console.error. You got to do that to see what's going on here. This doesn't make any sense. You know what? You know what we're going to do?
How can we get 25 out of these? I mean, I think maybe we focus on these two because this is one more than the previous. So why is it one more than the previous?
If I is equal to 0, then do nothing. Otherwise, do this. But I is gonna the very first one, huh? If I is equal to 0, then do nothing. Otherwise, console log A plus A. Okay, well, let's just play all test cases here. Success, 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 whatever, it worked.
Scott figured it out. What the heck?
Why did it work? I don't know.
How does he do it?
Why don't I know why it worked? Because I didn't have time to look at it, folks. We're just typing code as fast as humanly possible.
So do we save the previous one?
Oh my gosh. I just asked ChatGPT and it's giving me Node.js code with files. File system. No chance. All right. I have no idea.
5 times 3 is 15 plus 0 is not 25. I do have a feeling that the last digit is always added onto the previous.
Please help me, ChatGPT.
I gotta look at these inputs.
Wes, get it?
Scott
he got
still
it
beat
probably
me.
in some weird way.
I cheated
too.
and he beat me by an hour.
When do I give up?
Over almost 2 minutes.
I've only been in here for 2 minutes. I'm gonna
Scott is
try to
on
figure it
fire.
out.
I
And
got
then-
that math part of it really quick, but
How do you get?
I was thinking that you had to ignore the first row. You ignore the first row and then do the second row, or is that not accurate?
Is it just the?
I don't know. I
value?
cheated.
Nope.
How do you say not math questions?
Yeah, right. Yeah, no kidding.
Give me like an array map filter
I
sort.
know, because this is just like what is the equation and who can write that equation fast enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. So previous A times A plus B. All right, I give up. All right, I gave up, and that was bad.
I cheated.
What did you do?
I just screenshotted it. I was so mad. I just screenshotted it and put it in ChatGPT. I was just like, I no pattern I'm seeing here. And pattern matching skills are unmatched.
I got the equation part quickly, but I was thinking you had to ignore the first line. So I did this like if the index is equal to
random
0,
if statement.
then do it or don't. And then I was like, well, fine, let me just output the console log in here outside of the loop to debug it. And then all the test cases passed. And I was like, okay, fine.
Yeah. Well, I didn't realize till the end that the first number is the number of lines that it will read in. So that's why it's ignored, because there is a read line to give you in. After that, It's AB for each one. All right, last one. Let's do it.
I gotta win this one. I started off so strong, and here I am cheating. I'm ashamed of myself.
I got to win this one just because Wes is getting real cocky on his Mountain Dew.
Clash now. A dash B. Uppercase, lower, and lowercase. Okay. How do you tell if something is uppercase?
Map over each character, and if that character is equal to that character to uppercase, then we'll do it to lowercase. Otherwise, we'll do it to uppercase.
So you're inverting those, you're inverting these. Okay, if it's lower to upper, if it's upper to lower. Okay, so we have the string. We're going to do str.
Okay, so we will split it, and then we will map over each character. If the character is uppercase, let's just do this. Const bet is equal to, am I going to type up the entire alphabet?
Spread it to an array and do a for each. No, we're going to do a map, and we're going to say each character, and we're going to do, how do you check if something is uppercase? Regex is uppercase. uppercase JavaScript? How do you check to see if something is uppercase or not?
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
So that gives us an array. Join it back all together on a string and print it all out. Done. These are my kinds of challenges. I can do this. I can iterate and format. I can't figure out weird patterns.
Oh, this is stupid. You could check to see.
alphabet
Yeah, that's stupid. You could say character if
includes
C dot
Character.
two.
So if it is
No, this
uppercase,
is so dumb. Is this really
then
the way
we
to
are
do
going
it?
to return
using regex maybe.
to lowercase.
Oh, join with a comma? I don't want to join with a comma. What was I doing? Boom, submit. Beat him at his own game, even though CJ beat me.
Why is it not lowercasing it? I'm just gonna miss submit. Damn it!
Yeah, so mine iterates over each character. If that character is equal to itself uppercase,
Yeah.
then we lowercase it. Otherwise, we uppercase it. Join it back all together.
I wrote the whole alphabet in uppercase.
I thought regex right away, but I actually had to Google the regex syntax to be sure of it because I hate regex.
What an upset.
Yeah,
Wow, that was embarrassing.
that sucked.